Kia recently revealed the facelifted XCEED model, and now the first examples of this compact crossover have rolled off the company's production line in Žilina, Slovakia, kicking off the use of more efficient and sustainable production techniques in the factory. The upgraded production line features 40 new advanced robots in the paint and assembly lines, part of a long-term plan to increase automation, efficiency, and compliance with the latest environmental standards. Regarding sustainability, Kia's Slovakian facility uses 100% renewable energy for its operations, while heat and water from the paint shop are recycled across the plant to cut waste. The new XCEED is available with the choice of highly efficient electrified powertrains, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid, the latter providing an all-electric driving range of up to 60 kilometers. All variants will be available to order from September 2022, and tell me in the comments, how do you like this new XCEED model?